In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively set up and manage Facebook ads for your Etsy shop. Whether you're brand new to Facebook advertising or just looking to refine your approach, this guide will offer you a comprehensive walkthrough of all the essential steps you need to take to drive traffic, boost conversions, and engage more effectively with your ideal customers. First things first, you'll need to set up a Facebook business account if you haven't already. To do this, head over to Facebook Business Manager. Here, you can create a new business account, which will serve as the foundation for all your advertising efforts. One key aspect of this step is connecting your Facebook page to your business account. If your Etsy shop doesn't have a Facebook page yet, now is the perfect time to create one to start engaging your audience. Next, it's vital to create a Facebook pixel within the Business Manager. Navigate directly to the Events Manager area, where you'll see an option to add a new pixel. Choose Facebook Pixel, then follow the straightforward prompts that will guide you through setup, ultimately providing you with your unique pixel ID. This pixel tracks user actions and plays a crucial role in optimizing your ads and retargeting potential customers. Once your pixel is ready, the next step is to integrate it with your Etsy shop. Etsy facilitates this process either through your shop settings or Etsy ads. Simply go to your Etsy shop manager and click on Marketing, then select Facebook ads to connect your Facebook pixel. By doing this, you'll be able to track visitor actions within your shop, gaining invaluable insights to fine-tune your advertising strategies. Defining your advertising goal is an essential consideration before launching any campaign. Are you looking to drive more traffic to your Etsy shop, perhaps increase conversions, or maybe boost engagement with your audience? For many Etsy sellers, objectives like traffic and conversions tend to provide the best results, so think through what aligns with your overall business goals. Moving on to creating your ad campaign, navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. Click on Create, then choose the campaign objective that matches your goals, whether it's driving traffic, facilitating conversions, or another focus. Be sure to give your campaign an identifiable name to keep everything organized. One of the most impactful steps in your advertising journey is defining your target audience. Utilize Facebook's extensive targeting options to define who you want to reach based on factors such as location, age, and gender. Dive deeper into targeting by setting interests related to your product niche and specific behaviors or demographics. Also, consider leveraging Facebook's lookalike audiences to broaden your reach to individuals who resemble your current top customers. As you gear up to launch your campaign, setting a budget and schedule is critical. Decide if a daily or lifetime budget works best for you and set a specific time frame for your ad to run. Then, on to designing your ad. Facebook offers various ad formats including single image, carousel, or video. Choose the format that highlights your products best and ensure you use high quality imagery or videos. Accompany your visuals with compelling ad copy, and don't forget a clear call to action like shop now or discover unique handmade gifts to guide viewers toward your shop. Finally, ensure to add a destination URL. Linking your ad back to your Etsy shop or a specific product listing is essential for driving traffic to exactly where you want users to go. Before you hit the publish button, take a moment to carefully review all your settings, targeting parameters, and creatives to ensure everything aligns with your objectives. Once everything looks perfect, go ahead and click publish to launch your ad campaign. It's time to let your fantastic products reach new audiences and